Okay, so we're going to make some real quick food. I like to call this hot dog. Toasted, I don't know what to call it. Toasted, what should we call it? Toasted cheese hot dog roll. I don't know what it is.
Toasted cheese hot dog.
Toasted cheese hot dog. This is if you can't be bothered making food. So we have some hot dogs here. As they all fall out, we have some hot dogs here. And we have some bread. So I tend to cut the crusts off. Give them to the birds. Actually, is it bad giving bread to birds? I don't know. Who knows?
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
And then all you got to do...
Birds are wonderful, dying, freaking animals.
That's Jake, by the way. Okay, there we go. Then what we do, get your sauce of choice. I am going to go for Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
I will go for ketchup.
You go for ketchup. You can put spicy sauce on, or you can put... Let's just put a bit in the middle. We'll spread it out. There we go. That's enough. You can put more on. Don't put too... Don't put... What are you saying? So don't put too much on because it'll all squirt out. So I tend to put that on. Like, Slice of cheese. I have these cheapo Spar.
What the?
Yeah, retro.
Retro.
You're a retro. Okay, cheese slice, but you can put any cheese on. And then, cheese. Get your hot dog. Or your wiener, as it's called in different countries. Wiener. Now you can put it either way. I kind of like to put it this way. I'm gonna move that. Let's move the bread out of the way. We're gonna
Let's see what
get it
you
going.
Are.
So let's roll it. So look. There we go. Try to keep the cheese on the inside. So
I hate cheese.
You hate cheese. You don't have to do it with cheese, but I like cheese. Put any cheese on. There you go. That's ready to go. And then, if we've got the George Foreman. You don't have any. Don't touch. It's hot. Don't burn. Hello. Don't get away from me, George. You're gonna hurt yourself. So let's get our.
You're a damn goddamn.
Here we go. Let's go. Put it on there. That's the cheese is gonna run a bit because I've just nearly dropped it. But there we go. And that's it. So we just wait now, and it'll be done in a minute.
In a minute. 60 seconds.
Okay, so I think we are done. Let's have a look. Yes, there it is. There it is in all its glory. I could have cleaned the George before I actually did this. Don't touch the top. Watch me drop it on the floor now. Oh, I should have got a better... I should have got a better knife, really, shouldn't I?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, there it is, right.
Oh my
There it is. We're gonna taste it in a minute. We'll try it in a minute when it cools down a bit. Well, how easy is that? Easy peasy.
Lemon
squeezy. Ignore the burnt stuff on. That's from my George. There, I could have.
Yeah.
Clean your George. Like me, just clean it. It's probably the best thing.
Yeah.
And there we go. There's the finished product. You can actually see on the back of it. Look see the cheese squeezed out. See it? The cheese is all gone nice and burnt, and it's really hot. So.
Yeah.
No.
Let me taste.
No. Seriously, quick and easy, and probably really unhealthy. So there we go. My son's getting ready for bed, and you don't want to see him. Put that away.